There's a real need for energy storage, specifically energy storage that can interface well with renewable energy on the electrical grid. I like that angle. Okay, that's better. As we try to shift away from a carbon-centric electrical grid towards one full of green, renewable energy sources, we suddenly have this problem where we're generating energy sometimes and need energy other times, and those time frames don't always line up well. So trying to deal with that mismatch between when power is generated and when it's demanded by the electrical grid really calls for this need for energy storage. I work for Dr. Eric Loth in the Fluid Research and Innovation Laboratory in the Mechanical Engineering Department. My research focuses on using energy storage in conjunction with renewable energy. Right now I'm really focused in on modeling compressed air energy storage and how to make that more efficient. In energy storage, we think about kind of on a day-to-day basis in small scales, like you think of like your cell phone or maybe an electric car that has some sort of battery in it. Those things tend to be things like lithium-ion batteries, which have gotten really big in the last few years. But if you think about having a kind of a battery-type system for a whole city, then lithium-ion batteries maybe don't always work so well. So compressed air energy storage is this idea that you can compress air when you have excess generation, so you have lots of extra electricity, and then store it somewhere, and then later on you let that air flow back through and run through turbines and generate power when you need it. I really want to feel like I'm doing something that's going to long-term mean that there's more trees outside when I go for a walk, and that there's still these beautiful mountains around me that I love and things like that. I want to keep the earth in this beautiful condition. I think that energy is so interesting, in this idea of how can you convert it from one form to another, and moving from electricity to mechanical energy and then maybe back into electricity, which then turns into you turning on a light switch. I am just fascinated by that, and so finding this place where these interests can kind of come together has really fueled this passion for me. Engineering is kind of a weird discipline in my mind, in that kind of the old school way of thinking about it was like, if your son had fun tinkering with the car out front, then you would send him to be an engineer. And I remember growing up and looking around and thinking, well, like, that's not me. I don't enjoy tinkering with the car out front or anything like that. The way that engineering is portrayed has really changed, and people have really started to realize that engineering is all about solving problems, that there is kind of this draw for people who feel like they want to see change in the world, who now are seeing engineering as a way to do that.